Today, it's clear that our children will face challenges and opportunities that we can hardly imagine. At Satrangi Gurukul, we're committed to equipping our students with the skills and mindset necessary to thrive in this rapidly changing world. As we reflect on the qualities that will serve our children well, we're reminded of the importance of adaptability, critical thinking, and creativity. But how can we, as parents and educators, foster these skills in our children? We believe that a growth mindset is the foundation upon which all other skills are built. By encouraging our children to view challenges as opportunities for growth, we can help them develop a love for learning that will stay with them throughout their lives. Imagine a child who is not afraid to try new things, who sees failure as a chance to learn and improve. This is the kind of child who will thrive in a world where change is the only constant. Imagine a child who is encouraged to ask questions, to seek answers, and to think critically about the world around them. This is the kind of child who will grow into a creative problem solver, a curious learner, and a compassionate citizen. As the world around us changes at an increasingly rapid pace, it's clear that adaptability will be a key factor in our children's success. By teaching our children to be flexible, to pivot, and to adjust to new situations, we can help them navigate the twists and turns of life with confidence. Imagine a child who is not afraid to try new things, who is open to new experiences, and who can adapt to changing circumstances with ease. This is the kind of child who will thrive in a world that is increasingly interconnected and rapidly changing. As parents and educators, we have a unique opportunity to shape the next generation of learners, thinkers, and leaders. By working together, we can create a community that values creativity, critical thinking, and adaptability.